The question is, what is the Aboriginal word for grandmother? Well, there are many Aboriginal languages right across Australia, at least some say about 200 or more. So there are many terms for grandmother in all the different languages. But also just to be aware that we also have a gender division in language. So it depends if you're talking about mother's mother or father's mother, and the different terms, just like Italian that we use for grandmother. So for example, in Badi, on the mother's side, we call our grandmother Gamani. And then on the father's side, we call our grandmothers Golly. So you will use either term depending which side of the family you're on. So to just be aware of that. Another term that I offer people just to use like generally across the board too is Mimi. And Mimi means young grandmother. And a lot of grandmothers that I've told who aren't Indigenous love that because they love the idea of being a young grandmother. So it's just being aware of all the different languages and then choosing which one you'd like to use. And of course then asking a person from that cultural group if it's okay to use those terms. But I freely encourage the use of the Badi language and other Indigenous languages because it's a way of helping keep our culture alive.